I'm Jen and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that is really, really great for an across the floor progression. So I would say that this is intermediate in nature. Depending on the speed, it could be advanced. There's a couple articulations in there that I don't think are quite right for beginners, but beginner means something to like one person and it means something different to somebody else. So take that with a grain of salt. I would call this intermediate. Cool. But let's go ahead and get started working on this. And if you're not already subscribed, do the thing. All right, so it starts with 4 flaps. Every single part of this has the same makeup. We're just adding something here or taking something away and doing something differently here. But essentially, it's 4 flaps, sort of. 4 flaps, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have scuff heel, spank heel, toe heel, ball change. So that last part is scuff heel. So just your heel does the scuff. Spank heel, so the toe comes back and then you also lift and drop the heel again. Then toe heel stays in the back. Ball change. So 4 flaps and then that progression. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. So, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Second round, you're just adding some heels or adding some articulations. So for the flaps, you add heels. Then you have riff heel. So now instead of a scuff heel, you're adding a sound. You go riff heel, brush scuff heel. Then you have dig spank heel. Then you have shuffle heel, ball change. So it's very similar in pattern to scuff heel, spank heel, toe heel, ball change, but now you're adding one extra sound. Forward, back, stays in place, ball change. I know some people would be like, well, a shuffle and a toe are not the same, so what do you mean it like adds something? It's not that it adds on to the step, it just adds an extra sound going the same direction. So this is forward, back, stays in place. First time we did a toe, second time we do a shuffle. It's a shuffle kind of in the same area and it stays back there. So that's what I mean by like, it's a progression. A toe and a shuffle are not the same, but it is a progression. So the second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's do that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's go ahead and try the whole thing with music. We got this, I'm hoping. No, it's a tough one. We're gonna do all 4 parts with music. We can do this. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shall we try left? Just because I want to make today harder for myself, let's try left. No, I love the left, I really, really do. My heels are better on the right, so the left side should be a little bit better. I've had a lot of trouble remembering this combination today, so you may have noticed that notebook was not there earlier in this tutorial. I took a massive break, wrote the combination down, which is so helpful. So now hopefully I'll be all right. I could hide that from everybody and just like make y'all think I'm that good and that I don't need it. But no, like us dance teachers, we need stuff like that, right? I need that notebook to know exactly what I'm doing. I have filmed like 4 tutorials today. There's no way to keep it straight without a notebook. And as always, I keep it really real on this channel. So yeah, all right. Whew. Now that I've stalled long enough, let's do the left. and why did I struggle for this entire video until I was like, that's it, I'm writing it down. Don't be afraid to write stuff down so that you have it, especially teachers. Like, bring a music stand to your class, have your choreography in front of you. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay? All right, I hope you really, really enjoyed this tutorial today. I had a blast teaching you this little combination. If you do bring it to your classes, if you're a teacher and you do it across the floor, please send me a video. I'd love to see how your students do with it. It is a tough one. It's so hard to just keep it all straight. So again, I hope you had a blast. I hope your students have a blast with it. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this. I've got step tutorials. The whole video just focuses on one step to learn. That is in a playlist down below as well, if you ever need it. And then choreography tutorials. I put out new ones every week. All levels, so much fun, little combinations and stuff. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Also, there's vlogs like how to become a professional tap dancer, how to do improv, tips and tricks to, like, you know, work with music theory a little bit. So lots of great content for tap dancers and tap teachers. It's all free resources and it's all for you. So make sure that you subscribe and also hit that thumbs up button because it tells YouTube that people like tap dance, and we do. And now that I've heard the start of Sean hammering on the roof, I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording today. So I hope you've had a blast with me, and as always, thank you for dancing with me. And don't worry, he'll be fine.